students, in this video we are going to solve a nice exponential equation. Here 2 power x plus 22 power x, this is equals to 242 power x. Here we need to calculate the value of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Here 2 power x plus 22 power x is equals to 242 power x. Look carefully, we have three terms. First term, base is 2 and power is x, and second term, base is 22 and power is x, and third term, base is 242 and power is x. Here we can write this 22 as a product of 2 into 11, and we can write this 242 as a product of 2 into 121. Then in left hand side 2 power x is common factor, and right hand side we have 2 power x is common factor. Look carefully, here 2 power x plus, and we can write this 22 as a product of 2 into 11 bracket power x, this is equals to, and this 242 we can write as a product of 2 into 121 bracket power x. Now 2 power x plus, look carefully this term. Here we will apply base and exponent rule. A times b bracket power m, this is equals to a power m times b power m. According to this rule, here base is a times b and power is m. So we can write this expression as a power m times b power m. Look carefully, this 2 is behaves like a, and this 11 is behaves like b, and this x is behaves like m. So we can write this expression as 2 power x times 11 power x. Similarly, this 2 is behaves like a, and this 121 is behaves like b, and this x is behaves like m. So we can write this expression as 2 power x times 121 power x. Now we know that we can write any term a is equals to a times 1. So here we can write this 2 power x as a product of 2 power x times 1 plus 2 power x times 11 power x is equals to 2 power x times 121 power x. Now look carefully in left hand side. Here 2 power x is common factor. Now if we take common 2 power x, then you will get inside the bracket 2 power x times 1 divided by 2 power x, then you will get 1 plus, and 2 power x times 11 power x is divided by 2 power x, then you will get 11 power x, and this is equals to 2 power x times 121 power x. Now divide both side 2 power x, and right hand side is also divided by 2 power x, and 2 power x cannot be equals to 0, because students, here we will talk about only real solutions, and if x is real then 2 power x is always greater than 0. So now divide both side 2 power x in left hand side and right hand side. Then in left hand side this 2 power x and this 2 power x is cancel out, and right hand side this 2 power x and this 2 power x is cancel out. In left hand side 1 plus 11 power x, 1 plus 11 power x is equals to, in right hand side 121 power x. Now look carefully, this term 11 and this is 121. We know that 121 is a square of 11. So in left hand side 1 plus 11 power x is equals to, and we can write this 121 as a square of 11. So this is equals to 11 square bracket power x. Now 1 plus 11 power x, this is equals to, here we will apply base and exponent rule, a power m bracket power n. This is equals to a power n bracket power m. According to this rule, this m and this n are interchanged. So we can interchange this 2 and this x. Then this right hand side is 11 power x bracket power 2. Now here we will apply substitution, and if we substitute 11 power x is equals to m, then in left hand side 1 plus 11 power x is replaced by m is equals to, this 11 power x is replaced by m square. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then m square minus m minus 1, this is equals to 0. Here we have a quadratic equation in terms of m, and this quadratic equation is not factorizable. Here we will apply quadratic formula, and here coefficient of m square is a is equals to 1, coefficient of m is equals to b which is minus 1, and constant term is c is equals to minus. Quadratic formula x is equals to, but here variable is m, so here m is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. In left hand side m is equals to minus, here b, and value of b is minus 1, minus 1 plus minus square root of b square, and value of b is minus 1 whole square minus 4 times value of a is 1 and value of c is minus 1, and divided by 2 times value of a is 1. Then m is equals to, minus is multiplied by this minus 1, then you will get plus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 times minus 1 is plus 4, and divide by 2. In left hand side m is equals to 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. We have two possible values of m. First value of m is equals to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2, and second value of m is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And we know that m is our substitution, and here m is equals to 11 power x. So this m is replaced by 11 power x is equals to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2, and right hand side is 11 power x, this is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now look carefully at this equation. Here 11 power x in left hand side, and in right hand side we have a number which is 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. And here we will talk about only real solutions, and if x belongs to real number, then 11 power x is always greater than equals to 0. Sorry, 11 power x is always greater than 0 if x belongs to real number. So left hand side is positive, but look carefully, this number is negative. So here x does not belong to real number. So this case is rejected. Now look carefully this equation. In left hand side 11 power x is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And here 11 power x is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And if we take log both side, and right hand side also take log, Now in left hand side we will apply log property, which is log m power n. This is equals to n times log m. According to this rule, we can write this left hand side as x times log 11 is equals to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now first we will write this expression in next page. Then in left hand side x times log 11, this is equals to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now divide both sides log 11. Both sides divide by log 11. Right hand side is also divided by log 11. In left hand side this log 11 and this log 11 is cancelled out. In left hand side we have x is equals to, and look carefully right hand side, here we will apply log property, log m over log n. This is equals to log m with base n. According to this rule, we can write this right hand side as log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 with base 11. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.